Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all of you. Now question number 10. A belt 24.75 meters long passes around a 1.5 centimeter diameter. Here diameter and S is given. So S is equal to 24.75 meters and D diameter is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Play as the belt makes 2 complete revolution in a minute. How many radians does the wheel turn in 1 second? So theta we have to find in second, radians per second. Okay, so as we know that S is equal to R theta, but here S is given and theta we have to find, but no any R given, no any radius given. Must remember that the radius is a half of diameter. Here you can see that diameter is equal to 1.5 and the radius is from this point to this point, so radius is equal to 1.5 divided by 2. That's why we can say that radius is a half of diameter. Okay, so R is equal to 1.5 divided by 2 equal to 0.75 centimeter. Now if you note there the unit of S in meter and the unit of R in centimeter, so must remember that the unit must be same, unit must be similar of both. So convert the centimeter in now 0.75 centimeter divided by 100. So if we divide it by 100 it change into meter, so 0.075 meter, 0.0075 meter. Now the unit of S and unit of R both are similar here. Now if we note in question that as the belt makes 2 complete revolution in a minute, in a 1 minute number of complete revolution per minute 2, number of complete revolution 2, so that's why S is equal to multiply S with 2 here, so 24.75 multiply with 2, so equal to 49.5 centimeter. Now simply put in S is equal to R theta, so we have to find theta, so S is equal to R theta and theta is equal to S over R. Okay, so S over R you can see here. Now S is equal to 49.5 and R is equal to 0.0075 meter. Now meter cancel out and equal to 660 radians per minute. And if you note here the question is how many radians does the wheel turn in 1 second, not in minute but in second, so we have to convert it into second, so divided by 60 here, so 6600 divided by 60 here. So now if we divide it, so theta is equal to 110 radians per second. So this is the answer of this question. If you have any query, any confusion, you can ask in comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Okay.